seeing this invisible strap on the back wig trending all over my timeline, so I decided to, you know, let's check it out, let's try it and see what it do, if it's doing what it's saying it's supposed to do. I wanted to go ahead and pick up the wig online, so I bought this wig from My Golden Hair factory store. There's not much smell in it for processed hair, which is really good. Wow, it's very secure. And again, guys, this is supposed to be a glueless wig, so it's kind of tight for my head. But I'll still do a middle. I'm not really a big fan of this color, so I'm definitely gonna tone it. This hair is thick, okay? But this is everything to the front. I'm gonna try and step back. So this is the entire hair, absolutely giving Beyonce. Okay, line is sick. Okay, got some work to do. So I'm going to be testing out this product for the first time. This is the Ericka J Lace Trio Kit. And this has the hold me down adhesive skin guard, hold me down, I can't say what, I think this is the glue in the middle. And we have laid off adhesive remover right at the end over here. So I'm going to be trying that today and see how that works. I'm going to be using it to install this wig. And I'm just hoping that this glue holds me down really good. Yeah, so let's get into it. I got this for around $127 technically, USD. If you're in Canada, please be advised you'll be paying about $50. So it's really paid $200 for glue. Okay, the shipping came really fast, that I would have to say, and I like the customer service. They were like, this is a glue. Skin guard. This is the remover. 2 pumps, spray pumps. Yeah, a green spatula. And this, I believe, is the original in the kit. But yeah, let's go ahead and install this wig. Okay, I'm gonna start off with wiping out my baby hair area. 90% alcohol on my edges. Okay, I'm gonna use skin guard. It smells like nail polish. I'm gonna be using this lace tint mousse in light brown, and that's the color. It matches what I'm doing perfectly. Okay, work it in.
No!
Just work it in so it can melt out the